If you stream with Kodi, Streamio, or Torrentio, you've probably heard of Real Debrid and Torbox. Both are Debrid service. They unlock premium links, cached torrents, and faster sources. But which one actually gives you the edge? Real Debrid is the veteran. It's been around for years with broad support across streaming apps. It offers premium hosters, cached torrents, and reliable speeds. Pricing is affordable and it's widely trusted. The downside, it's more limited when it comes to cloud storage and multi IP support. Torbox, on the other hand, is the newer challenger. It emphasizes cloud torrenting, multi IP support, and account sharing. That means you can stream directly from cache torrents, store files in the cloud, and even use multiple devices more easily. Reviewers note that Torbox often delivers faster speeds and smoother playback for Streamio users, but it's slightly pricier than Real Debrid. So Real Debrid is the safe bet, and then Torbox is the power users upgrade. So choose depending on your preference.